Hey there guys, Eugene here. I'm going to show you how to tie the Eldredge knot. I'll try to make this simple for you. So first of all, just put it right over your neck and do exactly what I'm doing, mirrored. So this would be your right hand, this would be your left hand. Just do exactly what I'm doing. Put it over your head, over your neck like this. Take the wide end and put the tip right at your belly button. Just do it. Okay, this is going to lengthen when you tighten it. You're going to tie this whole knot with the narrow end. It's going to be very long. It can work with any tie, preferably a longer tie is better. So you pinch the tie right here, right below your shoulder just a bit. You pull it over, you take this narrow end and you just place it over the top like this, and then you wrap it under until it comes out on this side. Just like that, okay? Now once you have it here, you're going to dive it over the top like this, here, and just keep pulling that through all the way. So it went over this way. After that, you're just going to place it over the front like this and come out the top. Okay? So one more time, I'm just going over the front and then you push it out behind this side right here. Push it out and lay it down. Now keep this tight, especially if you have a shorter tie. Keep everything tight as you're going. Now you're going to lay it over this way. You're going to go behind. So you're going to take this behind here without twisting it. Don't twist it. And then you're going to lay it and you're going to go through this last loop that you created just like this. Okay? So pull it through there and start tightening it right away with this other hand. Keep it nice and snug like that. Okay. Now this end, you have to put it down behind here like this. Okay. And once it's back here, you're going to make another loop. So it's come out on the back. You're going to go for another loop. But this time, once it comes out on this side, you want to take it behind the wide end and pull it out on this side. And you're going to go through this loop this way. So just like this. Pull it through, tighten this back part, pull this in, make it all neat. Take this end and just tuck it behind your tie on this side. Okay? Be sure to drop your collar down, do up your top button, you line everything up just a bit like that. And there we go. Just line everything up, tighten it up. I do like to use a little clip. It does bring everything together. And that's it. Eldredge is done. Now if you guys are interested in the tie, this happens to be a dark knot tie. I really enjoy their ties. I have a ton of ties from a bunch of places. This is one of my favorite ties and one of my favorite tie companies. Each tie is going to come in a very, very nice box. It's going to have a little sizing and coordination card. So this specifically is a Columbia Foulard silk tie, the blue silver. And this happens to be a long tie, which is 63 inches as opposed to 58. And if you're over 6'1", you want a longer tie anyway. But for any special knot like this, it's really nice to have a longer tie because you can make a more bulky knot and not run out of tie. So the dark knot, links will be down in the description. You can check out this tie, check out their company, and also if you like this tie clip, I'll have a little link to that. That's on Amazon. So hope you guys enjoy that. Questions, please leave them down in the comments section below. I'll try to help you out.